Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. Today we are going to solve the questions of PALMDATE 2019. We know that PALMDATE is the entrance exam for Masters in Mathematics in Presidency University arranged by West Bengal Joint Board, right? So let us begin with the question number 1. Question number 1 says that delta is the determinant of this matrix, of this 4x4 matrix. There are 4 options. Option A says that delta is divisible by 11. Option B says that delta is not divisible by 11. Option C says that delta is divisible by 2. Option D says that delta is a prime integer. Okay, first of all, if you observe the options carefully, you can see that the first option says that delta is divisible by 11 and the second option says that delta is not divisible by 11. Okay, third option says that delta is divisible by 2 and fourth option says that delta represents a prime integer, right? First of all, observe the first two options. What are the possibilities of delta? Either delta is divisible by 11 or delta is not divisible by 11, right? So there are two possibilities, either delta is divisible by 11 and or delta is not divisible by 11, right? So we actually can discard the option C and D before starting the question, right? I am saying that if you choose any integer, natural number, real number, any real number A belongs to R, then there are two possibilities, either 11 divides A or option 2, 11 does not divide A, right? So similarly, delta is a, more precisely, delta is an integer. So there are two possibilities, either 11 divides delta or 11 do not divide delta, right? So before starting the question, we actually can discard option C and option D. Okay, so now we have to check whether option A true or option B, as this question contains only one correct option, right? So let us start. Here delta is represented by the determinant of this matrix 2, 1, 4, 5, 4, 2, 5, 7, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 7, 8, 2. Now observe this determinant. What we can do? Just observe carefully what we can do. You can see that you can just observe the first column of this matrix and fourth column of this matrix. So this, I am considering this as a matrix, 4 cross 4 matrix. Just consider the first column. This is 2, this is 4, this is 7, this is 5. This is 2, this is 4, this is 7, this is 5, right? Now you can see that the difference between 2 and 5 is 3. The difference between 4 and 7 is again 3. 7 and 4 again 3, 2 and 5 again 3, right? So so what we can subtract the fourth column from the first column. Okay, this is what we can do, and observe the second column and fourth column, the second column and third column. You can see that this 1, this 4, difference is 3. This 2, this 5, difference is 3. This 4, this 9, difference is 1. This 7, this 8, difference is 1. Okay, so first of all, what I am doing, I am subtracting the fourth column from the first column. Okay, if I subtract the fourth column from the first column, I will get minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, 3 and 3, right? So it will be again I am subtracting the second column from the third column, so it will be 1, 2, 8, 7 and it will be 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay, so it is remains as it is. So it is 5, it is 7, it is 4 and it is 2. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am just adding the first row with third row, first row with fourth row, and subtracting the first row from the second row. What I will get? I will get minus 3, 1, 3, 5. I am subtracting the first row from the second row. I will get 0, 1, 0, 2, right? I am adding the third row with the first row. I will get 0, 9, 4, 9. Okay, again I am adding the first row with the fourth row. I will get 0, 8, 4, 7, right? So this is our determinant. So we actually can write it as, just a second, yeah, we actually can write it is equal to minus 3 into 102 9 8 4 9 4 7, right? So you can see that this is 4, this is 4. So what I am going to do, I am just subtracting the second row from the third row. So again I am subtracting the second row from the third row. I'll get minus 3 1 0 2 9 9 4 9. Okay, I'm subtracting the second row from the third row. It will be minus 1 0 2, right? Now so it is minus 3 plus minus plus minus plus, so into 4 into 1 2 minus 1 2, right? So this is 1 2 minus 1 2, so it will be minus 3 into 4 into 2 into 2 plus 2. So this is minus 3 into 4 into 4. So this is not divisible by 11. So let us see the options. You can see that option B says that it is not divisible by 11. So option B is our correct option. So that's all about our question number 1. So now we are going to solve the question number 2. Okay, students.